Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. It's been a minute since I've been on. We have been out of the country. We went to Ireland again and we came back, and I have had like jet lag or something. Plus I've had a bunch of medical procedures since we've been back, so I've just been a mess, but I've had all these packages coming in and I thought I would share them with you. In this video I'm going to do the PinchMe and the Ipsy, but I don't know what's wrong with Target. But this is the spring Target beauty box. I don't know if it's classic or trendsetter, but it's only one. It's not, we have days left of spring, and I finally got it. I had gotten an email saying that both were shipped, but they both had the same tracking number. They come in separate boxes, so I only have one of those to share with you guys. And then I have the June beauty boxes for Target, which was for the Father's Day, and the normal Target beauty box, you know, the general one. So this video, I'm not going to bore you guys to death too much, so I'm just going to share with you the Ipsy and the PinchMe, and then if you're interested in the other stuff, I'll do different videos for those. So anyway, I'm going to do PinchMe real quick, so it doesn't feel like there's much in here. This is like 2 months ago, so we're in June, so this is April's PinchMe box. It takes about 6 weeks to get to you when you are selected. I didn't get selected for anything in May, but I did get selected yesterday, which was the PinchMe day, sample day. So I did get picked for 4 items yesterday. So more than likely in August, I'll get those 4 samples. So this is April's samples from PinchMe. Again, it's pinchme.com. Right there, you just go on, you do a profile of things that you're, products that you're interested in that you are already use, and ones that you are interested in using. Anywhere from household products to makeup products to pet products, everything. And then they send you samples based on, you get selected for samples based on that profile. And usually it's 4 products, and there's 4 in here. Okay, so what I got selected for in April was a Garnier Fructis 1-minute smoothing treat hair mask. Okay, so I think I already bought this. All right, yeah, I think I shared with you guys. I wanted to do the avocado because it is the smoothing one. However, they didn't have any at Target, so I had to get some different one. And so it's in, I think, my May review or April review. So anyway, I really wanted to try the avocado, so that's good. Let's see, I had gotten the papaya one. I got the repair damaged hair papaya one, and that's what I reviewed, I think, in April with you guys. But I really wanted to try the avocado, so that's great. So 1-minute hair mask, so I will love to try that. I think I've already tried this, and I loved it. This was Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Gentle Conditioner. It soothes, hydrates, and protects. So I've already tried this. I don't know if I tried it through, but I have already tried it. I really liked it. I know through PinchMe I've already tried these Skittles. My dog is already eyeing them. When you first taste them, they're Skittles Heat. And when you first taste them, they're like, oh, just normal Skittles. And then there's a bite at the end. And so I only ate a couple of them. I gave them the rest to my dog. My dog, Berlin, is a German Shepherd, 100-pound German Shepherd, and he thinks the Skittles are like better than any dog treat you can give him. So he will be eating these. And then here is a get one free Slim Cafe Natural Energy by Slim Fast. So it's a cute little brochure on Slim Fast, and then a coupon to go get a free Slim Cafe. So that is it. I'll let you guys know how those products worked, although I've already tried them all except for this one, so that is good. So now moving on to Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 subscription monthly for a bag that you get, a makeup bag, and you put in your likes. It's called Ipsy.com. You put in your likes and dislikes, you put in your hair color, your skin type, and they ignore it all. No, I'm just kidding. They try to send you makeup samples, usually it's just samples, of products that would be beneficial to you to try out. And it's hit or miss, about 50-50 on if you like it or not. I can't remember what I got in this bag. They do give you a preview early on in the month of what you're going to get, and I was in Ireland at the time, so I don't think I looked at it. Although I must have, because I remember thinking, oh, I hope I get the pink bag. So there's like a pink bag this month and a yellow bag. So let's see what I got. Wait. Maybe I'm lying. I thought there was a pink and a yellow bag. I don't even remember there being a blue bag, but okay. I don't know. It's like a pleather bag, pretty decently sized. Last month was much cuter, but here's a little heart with the Ipsy back tip thing on it. So it has the tricolor here, solid in the back. It's pretty decently sized. Like you could put probably a makeup palette in there. Okay, so let's see what's in here. First item is by Estate. Goody, I think is the color. So it must be a lip product. Yes. Oh, okay. It's like a watermelon color. I only have chapstick on, so I'm just gonna, oh, it's really kind of sparkly though. Can you see that? Okay. Oh, it doesn't smell like anything. It's a lip gloss. So you're not gonna get, it's like you're not getting anything, look. Like nothing's coming out. So, well, no, I can smell. It has like a good scent to it. It's like a sweet smell, but I don't know. It's so hard to get something out on it though. So I can tell I'm not gonna dig it because I like more bang for my buck, and the more you put on it, you know, with the lip gloss, it gets all sticky and tacky. So I don't think I'm going to like that. I do like the scent, but it's more of just like you can't really tell you have anything on. Like the chapstick that I had on had more color, I think, to it than this stuff. But whatever. Okay, so the next thing, Infused Nail Lacquer by PS Cosmet. I don't even know how to say that. Cosmecutical. Georgia Peach. So does it smell like Georgia Peach? It's 10 free. It's free of all the parabens and all that good happy stuff, or bad happy stuff. This says PS Cosmecutical products are infused with grapefruit seed extract, which is known for its medicinal uses as an antimicrobial and antifungal. And it's in, I guess, the color Georgia Peach. I was thinking it was like a scent. Maybe it has a scent. I don't know. So Georgia Peach. So it matches that lip stuff really well. I don't think I have any, ironically, any color like this. So let's see if it smells. I want to know if it smells. No, it just smells like normal nail polish. So, okay. I mean, I don't know. I mean, my nails, like, something happened. I got these thing called Burma lines. I don't know if you can see that. There's all my nails cracked. And I got these big divots in my nails, and I've never had that before. I was researching this. It means certain medical conditions, one of them being thyroid. So, and I know my thyroid is just a disaster right now. I don't know. My endocrinologist and I are just having a heck of a time trying to get me under control. And then when I got back from Ireland, I'm like all jet lagged, and I had to have 2 different procedures. I had to have, not a procedure, an MRI, but I'm claustrophobic, so I had to be sedated. And then the sedation medicine didn't work, so I was awake through it, which is not a pleasant experience for me. And then I had to have an EGD yesterday, so I did get sedated for that, which normally I fight through it, and I'm awake through EGDs, which is the tube down your throat. And anyway, I ended up having an ulcer, and funny, ironically enough, I did not have any stomach pain whatsoever in Ireland the whole time. We come home, the first night we're back, I'm okay. The second night, after we spent the entire day at home, taking care of business and all that kind of stuff, I ended up waking up at 3:30 in the morning with a horrific stomachache again, and then again last night after the procedure. So anyway, the doctor said I had a grade 3 or 4 ulcer. So it's not a bad ulcer. He feels it was caused by the naproxen that I take because I have such horrible back pain, so I take naproxen for it, and whatever, I can't take naproxen anymore. I'm allergic to most pain medicine, so I can't take any pain medicine, so I'm going to be riding solo for pain for the rest of my life. I can take Tylenol though, which is bad for your liver, but whatever. Okay, so MAC Prep and Prime. I've never had a MAC Prime, so I'm very happy about this. It comes out white. It feels like a lotion, not like that silicone. It feels like a lotion. Yeah, it dries well though. There's no residue though. That's nice. Well, I guess it looks like there's a residue, but it doesn't feel like it. So I am excited to try that. Okay, so I can see what this is. This is And Feel Pure Anywhere Balm. this, aside from last month, I've had a balm in every single bag for, I believe, 6 months. So, not to hate these people, but how to use, it's just uses a lip balm or anywhere balm, which, where else would you put balm at? It's closed. I'm not even going to try opening because I got literally, probably from Ipsy, I have at least 10 balms of sorts. So, I'm not even going to open it. Okay, I don't know what this is. Kenzie. I don't know what it is. It's a little box called Kenzie. It says don't use near a flame. So it must be an aerosol of some sort. Yes. Okay, I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. Kenzie. It has fragrance in it. I don't know if it's for your hair. I don't know if it is a perfume product. Is there something? Oh, it looks like there's something in here. I cannot get it out. Let me try that. My hands are dry. Kenzie fragrance. Okay, so that's nice. So this is the only way I know this is a fragrance is because it says kenziefragrance.com. Okay, so this is a fragrance, and the fan is blowing because it's 100 degrees here already. Ooh. Very fruity. Very fruity, light and fruity. I can wear this. Okay. Alright, so that is my Ipsy bag and a little bit of PinchMe. So this is the bag. I got the blue bag. Oh, I forgot to tell you the theme. Flying Colors, which is nice because it's Pride Month for June 2018. We were, like I said, we were in Ireland and everywhere. They were the first country, I didn't know this, they were the first country to legalize gay marriage. And they fly their Pride very well. They have it everywhere. So, I believe everybody is equal. I don't care your color, your sex, your race, I don't care. Everybody is loved by God and everybody is the same. Nobody is better than anybody else. And if you feel that way, that kind of sucks for you and you don't have to follow me because I'm probably going to be very vocal about that. Anyway, so Kenzie spray. I like it. It's fruity and fragrantly nice for the summer. An Estate lip gloss, don't like it, but whatever. Ironically, a nail color I don't have by PS, whatever that word was. And then there's this Feel Pure Anywhere Balm. Again, nothing against that company, but a lot against Ipsy. And then this is probably my favorite. So the fragrance, the nail polish, and this. So this is a 3 out of 5, the MAC primer. So a 3 out of 5 for this month for Ipsy. So that's not too bad. I mean, that's not too bad. Normally it's 50-50 or worse. So not bad, not hating it. So that is Ipsy. Again, Ipsy.com. I know that you could do like referral links and stuff like that, but I don't really care. You get points. So if you do care, if you sign up for Ipsy and then you have your friend sign up for Ipsy, you then get 250 points, and I believe 300 to 500 is the minimum points you need to redeem different free gifts. So if you're interested in Ipsy, you'll get a referral link, and then you can refer your friends and that kind of thing. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to move on to the next video.